Amazon's measuring your seller performance so that way your account can stay safe. And this is the latest news. And of course, they have like green, yellow, red, just like when you're driving in traffic. You want to be going through the green. You want to keep going and go fast. In order to do that, what you want to do is make sure you aren't getting intellectual policy violations. You don't have any food and safety violations, right? You're getting all the certifications you need for your products. You can get any violations removed by providing the proper documentation. But again, the easiest way people always ask, okay, well, how do I get my account health rating higher? So if you go into your Amazon account, like your seller essential account, you can go and you go into performance and you can see this tab. You can see what your rating is. If your rating is very high, it's a lot harder for Amazon to deactivate your account. So your account's a lot safer, right? It's all about sales. Okay. It's about how many sales you're generating per month. That's pretty much the whole gist of how you can get into a score that's 1,000. A perfect score is 1,000. We've seen it. We've helped clients do it. You have to have a product that's just selling like hotcakes, right? And sometimes people have a product like that and they're kind of breaking even, but they have that product because it gets them to that healthy 1,000 score, right? Because if you have a high score, what you can do is you automatically get account health assurance, where Amazon will no longer deactivate your selling account as long as you work with them within 72 hours. So they'll call you on the phone. And I've seen this happen firsthand, called us, hey, we think 2 years ago you submitted a fake document. We're like, wait, what? This is the funniest story. Like 2 years ago. And I guess a client pissed off Amazon seller support. And then Amazon seller support just went through their entire account and said, this is fake. And it kind of just went all the way back and forth and back and forth. And instead of them getting deactivated right away, we were able to get a letter from the manufacturer, hand it to Amazon, and then you completely avoid deactivation. You can see eligibility page on how to qualify, and it's really maintaining that AHR, which is the account health assurance or account health rating of 250 or above for 6 months. And you can see you're in the green at 200, but if you can achieve 250 or above and achieve that for 6 months, then you get enrolled in that one program where you're supposed to not get taken down unless you have done something crazy, right? Which is great. So you have an actual Amazon rep calling you, and that's what you want to do. You want to try to get to the score as high as possible. But again, it comes down to sales, and it's sales momentum. How many sales are you generating per month to get that 1,000 rating? It is completely possible. But if you need help with anything regarding Amazon, finding those fast selling products, getting your account health rating higher, or even making sure you avoid deactivation, you can contact us right in the link below. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.